Alright, what's up, Blockheads? Welcome to day 5 or 6. It's the last day that we're here, so basically we're getting all packed up and stuff, getting ready to check out. Gotta go fill the car up with gas. Otherwise, they charge you $10 a gallon. How crazy is that? So that's what we're going to do. Leaving Vegas. Sad. So this has been a pretty fun car. I'm not usually a fan of Mustangs. I mean, I like Mustangs. I like older Mustangs, but this has been it's been a lot of fun. It's been a big change from my truck, and I have definitely enjoyed it. I mean, when I say it handles nicely, it's in comparison to a truck, so it doesn't have as much body roll to it, you know. And it sounds like it's turboed. I don't think it's the 5.0, but it sounds like it's turboed. I obviously do not know my Mustang models, but yeah, so I do know for next time around, instead of just taking Ubers all over the damn place, just rent a car. Paying for parking and stuff like that is probably a little cheaper than taking Ubers to and from places. Thank you thus far. Man, this trip has been just awesome. I seriously can't thank everybody enough for hanging out and being so welcoming. Anyways, on to get gas.
20 minutes later.
Been real Mustang. Picked up some breakfast along the way. McDonald's breakfast burritos, man. Oh, I wanted that car for a rental. What the fuck? Alright, we're at the casino one more time. We just checked out, but we got some time to burn, so I'm gonna go for 100. Nothing. Back to 50. This game is weird. This Blockhead loves it. Just won 18 bucks. Cool view. I was with the damn dirty windows. Come on, Vegas. Step up your window cleaning game. I guess there's a lot of windows cleaned here, though. Alright, so upon checking out the Excalibur, Miss Blockhead and I are in agreement.
We would not want to stay here.
It doesn't smell nice. It smells weird in here.
It smells like a very bad man candle in here. Like a family candle.
So yeah, that's our impression of this. So we're on the way to Caesar's Palace. We're gonna go to the Bacchanal Buffet or whatever. See what that's all about.
1 hour later.
Walking into Caesar's. This thing is big. Julius Caesar. Yeah, this place is way nice. It does smell nice in here. I don't know, let's ask somebody. Bacchanal. So apparently they invested like $100 million into basically revamping the buffet. Like the whole idea behind the buffet.
Better follow, please.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So Ms. Blockhead and I thought this was the only part of the buffet, but apparently there's more. And we are already full and done with dessert and everything. Dude, there is so much more. Dude, we missed out on so much of the good stuff. Holy hell. It's crazy. This place is awesome. If you guys are in Vegas, come by Bacchanal. Goodbye. See you next time. All right, it's official. We have to come back to Vegas to finish Bacchanal Buffet.
I want to come back specifically for the buffet.
Yeah. Alright, we're at the Luxor. Check this place out a little more. Cats? That's not a cat. It's more like a fox. Hey, that wasn't no cat. Nope. He sneezed in his hand. Gross, man. Come on. So you gotta grab by one of those places that nobody gets it, you know? Right there. Germ spreader. Pretty wild. This one smells nice too.
Yeah. See, why did that one smell so weird?
Yeah, each property, like casino, hotel, has their own, yeah, their own smell.
So far, this one, good.
Yep.
Mandalay Bay, good. Where we're at Caesar's House, also good. Bellagio smells like literal fall.
Yeah. That buffet kicked our ass.
Yeah.
We're sleepy as hell. Waiting here at the Delano, however the hell you say it. Burning some time. We got about 10 minutes before we leave to the airport. And that's the Vegas trip. What'd you think? Did you have fun?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. 10 out of 10. We'll do it again.
Yeah. We gotta come back, finish off that buffet. Yeah. And maybe stay at Caesar's. That was cool.
Yeah, basically.
I like Mandalay and Delano though. It's cool.
Tomorrow.
Alright, so sadly, we are back in Florida, here in Orlando. Man, the weather actually feels pretty nice right now while I'm moving, but it looks like rain. Man, freaking leaving Las Vegas was just so difficult because the weather was just amazing. We had such a good time, man. The food was great, the company was awesome, being able to meet everybody was just so cool, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I will say I do want to give an extra big shout out and special thanks to all the motovloggers that were there that I met. I will include links to their channels in the description below. You guys be sure to go check them out. 93 Dead Dinos. Yeah, so a lot of them I've looked up to for a really long time, you know, like some of them I've been watching their videos since before I even started motovlogging, so to like meet them, it's just freaking crazy. And everybody was so nice and welcoming, so big shout out to all you guys, to all you motovloggers out there, and the significant others of the motovloggers. It was great hanging out with you guys. Like I said, absolute pleasure meeting you all, and I'm really looking forward to the next time around. I know most of y'all are from Southern California, so SCMM will definitely make it a, a plan to go out there and to hang out with y'all again. But hey, if any of you guys are interested in coming over for the Florida Moto Meet, FLMM, please feel free. That's coming up November 17th. We'll show you some Florida hospitality. We'll try and keep it as weird as possible. If you talk to Shade Tree, he'd probably say that we'll definitely keep it as weird as possible, but we'll try to keep the weirdness while you guys are here to a minimum. Although in Vegas, it got pretty weird right off the bat, but it was a lot of fun. It was fun weird. Take the invisible receipt. Thanks. No, I'm good. Yeah, Miss Block and I are already planning on going back. I saw Scoot, and it was so cool to meet lots of you subscribers. You know, shake your hands and, you know, put some faces to names. Damn it, it does look like rain. Come on. Oh shit, look what I picked up. It was riding with Raj. Anyways, yeah, so we're getting right back to it, man, in terms of jumping back into the moto scene here. It's Friday today, and tomorrow have an event to go to. It's called FXR's Dinas and Donuts over at Donnie's Donuts in Ormond Beach. Basically the start, the launch of Biketoberfest here in Florida. So we're jumping right back into it. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Content don't grow on trees. Not how the song goes, but for YouTubers, man, we got to create content, right? So ain't no rest for the wicked. But it's not like work, man. It's like we get to ride motorcycles and make videos. It's freaking awesome. But yeah, I'll drop links for that event. Come up, say hi, shake your baby, kiss your hand. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed the videos. Big shout out to AIMExpo. I'll drop the link for AIMExpo down in the description below as well. Absolutely awesome show. Freaking just really had a great time over there. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon while you're over there so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Hit that share button if you guys have friends out there that enjoy motorcycle content. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. We will catch y'all later. That's so awkward. I want music. Man, I freaking forgot my Senna, damn it. Basically dismantled my helmet in order to put it in a bag to take it to Vegas, right? So I took my front GoPro mounted stuff off, took my Senna off so that it wouldn't get banged up in the bag and stuff, and forgot to put my Senna back on. Damn it. Alright. Catch you guys later. Deuces.